one more ride around town before the big race this weekend. The amount of looks I'm getting right now driving this car around town. I wish I got a video of everyone who stopped and pulled their phones out to record the car driving around. It was easily over 10 times today alone. Just like that, the Bro Rover is loaded. Boys, we are ready for takeoff. Holy smokes. All right, it's 11:30 at night on Friday, and we're getting ready to hit the road to go up to Castle in New York. It's about a 5.5 hour drive from here in Clark, New Jersey. Hopefully no traffic, hopefully no road work. Should be a smooth drive up. Chris and Justin, they're gonna be behind me by about an hour. We'll get up there about 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Get ready to rock. See you guys up there. Race day, boys. Are we excited?
He looks fucking miserable.
I thought she was gonna smack him. I thought you were gonna smack him. Car's running. Justin, Captain, Grace, Rachel.
I have not slept. I drove 5 hours overnight with this one in the car. 5 minutes later, so.
Yep, 908, so this is 732. Here we have our signs that I'm bending.
You ready to play a game? It's time to name that tool. Yes, Justin.
Quality.
It'll make a lot more sense when you're driving.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, it's gonna make more sense when we're actually out there.
All right, so in a matter of about 20 minutes, we passed tech inspection, went through a driver's meeting, and we're ready to race. So, yeah, that was the easiest tech I've ever went through in my entire life. All right, let's go racing then. So I got my first 2 laps out of the way. Course is pretty fun, sand's a little rough. All the 2-wheel drive guys are getting bogged down out there. We're just trying to make it through the best we can. So far, the only damage to the Hyundai. The only damage we can report is power steering's getting a little toasty, but we're good. Chris, how you feel?
I need an adult.
Have fun. You might not have power steering when you come back. Fisher. Just having a field day with this camera.
It's great. Art. It's art.
It's art, yeah. Alright, so first half of day one is in the books. I was able to go out there and do 2 laps. Did pretty good, didn't get stuck. Almost got stuck once, but didn't get stuck. Chris went out there, did 2 laps. Got stuck both times in the same spot. After lunch break, Rachel's gonna hop in the car and try to burn down a couple of killer laps. Maybe she won't get stuck. Maybe we can show Chris up, who knows. Go. Oh, Jesus God. Let me in. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous.
The more you say it.
Don't be nervous. Oh, look at that. It's on. Shout out GoPro for capturing her shining moment. Have fun. Out there and gets her fastest time, but she puts a check engine light on the freaking dashboard. But guess who didn't do it? Me and Chris. Chris, high five. That's a wrap on Saturday. Woo! Are all 4 of us driving tomorrow?
Maybe, we'll see.
Stay tuned for more. It's Sunday, and all 4 of us are racing. Rachel who's kicking ass, Chris who's trying, and Justin. Justin, I don't even know how Justin drives on the regular road. I've never seen him drive a vehicle, so this should be interesting seeing him drive on a racetrack. Alright, so for today they changed up the track a lot. They got rid of most of the sand on the track, so it's mostly gravel and asphalt now, so it's going to be a lot more fun, a lot faster. These guys are going to have fun, I'm going to have fun, so let's see how this first lap goes. Down a smidge going through the mud. What was your time?
2:02.3.
2:02?
On his first run?
Oh my
Justin.
God.
What is he doing? Chris! They're gonna follow him.
Yeah, I mean, that's wise, because he obviously can't drive through the sand. All right, now, there we go. His time's still going, so he's gonna get a nice balmy 6 minutes, I think. So Chris did his first lap. E-brake was accidentally left on. It's okay, it doesn't count. Rachel went out there, killed it. Guess who decides to join us?
Woo!
Justin Arnold, team photographer turned team driver.
Do you got anything else?
Hey Arnold!
Hey, Arnold.
He's gonna kill it out there. This is gonna be fun. Ta-da!
They know. I told them. That's it. That's my nickname. Yeah, I'll take it.
Lunch break for Sunday, day 2. I'm 144, number 1 right now. Chris just moved up to 2nd place. Mr. 152 over here. Hey cutie, how are you? And Justin, stud over there. Mr. Never raced in his life. He's 3rd. Rachel.
Hi.
Uh-oh.
4th.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
She's
still
buying
have
drinks for us right
Someone's
now.
gonna have to pick up the tab.
We still have time. Okay, we have time. Stop it.
All right, let's see how it goes after lunch. No, 2:02.4 actually. Stop it. All right, so we have 8 runs in. This car's covered in schmutz. The left front strut is absolutely blown to pieces, and the hood won't close. So, well, it locks. Open, it's not my fault. What is hitting it? You freaking jack stand ruining my cool video. So it's about a week after the race now. Aftermath of the car is that it's total madness. There's fluids coming out of the thing all over the place. The skid plate is still somewhere up in Castellan, New York, somewhere at the track. I don't know where the heck it went, but the car's back. It still runs, still drives, stops, steers, which I'm totally surprised that it still does, because the last few laps we totally sent that thing. We were not holding back at all. We just threw it down in first gear and just let it eat the whole time. The initial intention with the car was that we only wanted to do one race with it, which was this past race in New York. But me and the team got together on the drive home and realized that it's way too much fun to just send off to the junkyard and call it quits. There's gonna be a lot of sending going on, a lot of ramps, a lot of airtime underneath those tires, so I'm looking forward to it. There's a little bit of work we have to do to the car. I think that's, pretty evident. Anyway, we're gonna get this thing back together the best we can. Again, it's all about budget racing. We're gonna spend next to nothing to get it back together. We're gonna patch it up, rig things up to make it work. The earliest thing I could see with the car is that the unibody is bent up about 6 inches. That sent the radiator right through the hood. I can't even get the hood open now. So we got a little bit of work ahead of us to get it straight. I'm gonna save that for another video. That'll be an aftermath video coming after this one. Thank you again to our sponsors. Please go out there and support the ones that support us. Full Throttle Design Company. He hooked us up with some totally sick vinyl on the car. Give him some support. We're gonna flash his Instagram right here. OGO for hooking us up with some great travel bags and travel caddies to make sure that our gear ends up at the race. Again, there's their socials. And of course, GoPro for capturing all of our great angles as we were getting tossed around inside of that car. There's their links and socials right here above my finger. Support those guys, support those companies, because they support us and make all these awesome videos and all this awesome content possible. And again, just thank you to everybody who has helped us out throughout the years. We are not done yet. We are just getting started. So for now, it's a wrap on video number 1. Video number 2 coming up soon, because we're going to go through this car with a fine-tooth comb and figure out what's wrong with it, and we're going to make it right-ish, enough to make it to the next race. Next race is in less than a month. A little more than a month. Buck Motorsports Park, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We're going to jump it. We're going to go crazy, and it's going to be a good time. Thank you again, everyone, for watching. If you liked the video, drop a thumbs up. It's free. Costs nothing. If you really like our content, hit that little red subscribe button down there. It turns white when you hit it. It's pretty gnarly. And then, of course, give us a follow on Instagram. Comment on our posts. Share our posts. We got more stuff coming up. It's going to be a good time this summer. Thank you again, everyone. Thank you for watching. We'll see you a little more this summer.